6 simple makeup tips you should know. Anyone interested in makeup must be willing to try out new techniques in order to achieve a flawless face beat. These new techniques oftentimes could include do-it-yourself, DIY, tips as well as other makeup products which not only hasten the makeup process but at the same time create a more perfect look. Whether for a special occasion or for everyday use, adding these tips to one's routine can help save money on beauty products, use less, and get the most out of every powder, cream, and potion owned. Here are 6 beauty tricks to improve one's makeup skills. 1. Curling eyelashes. Often, people make the mistakes of curling eyelashes by merely clamping down the mascara wand and counting to 3. Not only does this make an unnatural crease in one's eyelashes, oftentimes these curls do not last. Rather, a much suitable option that lasts longer is the pump technique. Start at the base of the eyes, pump the wand 3 times and do the same at the eyelashes midsection. Finally, repeat these pumps at the tips. 2. Fake falsies with baby powder. Despite the cuteness of false lashes, they can, sometimes, be a pain to apply. Rather than having to glue on falsies, try using mascara and baby powder to make one's lashes longer and fuller. After curling one's eyelashes, apply 1 coat of mascara, dip a clean mascara wand or cotton swab into some baby powder and apply along the undersides of one's lashes. Then apply another coat of mascara. The mascara adheres to the baby powder, thus creating dark fibers which cause the lashes to look longer and fuller without falsies. 3. The perfect eyeliner wing. The eyeliner wing is a timeless makeup look that can make a girl's eyes pop. The key to achieving this is avoiding harsh lines and achieving the perfect smudge. However, it could be a bit difficult to get the perfect wing with a thick eyeliner. Hence, try heating up the eyeliner by holding a lighter to its tip for about 2 seconds. Allow it cool for 15 seconds before applying with a brush. 4. DIY oily skin toner. A toner is highly ideal to tame both dry skin and oil patches. It works to sop up extra oil at night and is ideal for skin tone, texture and color. To achieve the DIY toner, mix a half cup of apple cider vinegar with 1 tablespoon of tea tree oil. Add 1 cup of warm water, all in a clean spray bottle. Spray the toner onto a cotton pad and swipe it over one's face twice daily. If one's skin is oily, simply add more apple cider vinegar. If it feels dry, on the other hand, increase the tea tree oil, then follow up with an oil-free moisturizer. However, if one has a normal or combination skin, try green tea as a toner. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and then pour it into a spray bottle. It keeps for about a month and works wonders for calming redness. 5. Foundation application. Liquid foundations could be applied with a blending foam. Yet, it might be a bit difficult to properly blend in one's foundation using a blending foam. However, a much easier technique is to use a foundation brush, a stipple brush, a round brush with flat bristles. Just dot the foundation over one's face, use the brush to press it into pores, and then sweep to blend. It gives a nearly perfect airbrush finish with minimal product. 6. Exfoliating lips. Applying lipstick over chapped flaky lips is definitely not a great look. Because lips are made of thin skin, they are prone to drying out and flaking. Just as one exfoliates one's face and body, one's lips can use a little bit of that love as well. Use a clean, soft toothbrush to banish flakes for good. Just wet it and run it on one's lips in a circular motion, taking care to be gentle. There's no need to scrub. Then, make sure to moisturize well with a quality lip balm. For effective results, this should be done once a week. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.